I recently finished this yogurt cup. Instead of throwing it away, I placed it somewhere in my garden. Everything you will see in this video comes from this cup. It is winter in the northern hemisphere. A tardigrade. Despite the tardigrades being known as one of the toughest microanimals, they have a very fragile structure. Perhaps the water is cold enough to kill this water bear, but not cold enough for it to get into ton form, where the tardigrade's body slows down until the conditions in the ecosystem get better. Otherwise, this tardigrade will be food for other bacteria. This shy little metaozoan is a gastrotrig. Its name is Greek and stands for hairy belly. Gastrotrigs are not discovered by a single scientist, but their existence is known gradually over time. Today, gastrotricology is evolving as the scientists uncover more about this aquatic organism. It is time to leave this metaozoan with its own devices. A rotifer is scouting its surroundings for food. It is also a filter-eating organism. A rotifer is born with 1,000 cells. These are the cells that the animal will ever have. During its 4.5-day-long life, the cells only get bigger. For a tiny animal, rotifers have the most sophisticated legs. The leg is very strong. Here, one rotifer got tangled with some dirt in the slide. It just drags the debris with itself. The animal is not staggered at all. When it finds a food source, it expands its cilia and starts to filter the water for food. The jaw of the animal is perfectly visible. Most rotifer footage on the internet shows the jaw from the top view, but as you see in the side view, the jaw is placed at a 45-degree angle. When the nutrition is depleted in one area, the rotifer searches for another place. When observing a slide under the microscope, common mistake is being impatient and moving the stage fast. Did you see? I missed an amoeba. Let's go back. This tiny blob is the most sinister organism we see in this episode. They are a true predator, continuously looking for something to eat. Amoebae have not one distinguished shape. They are born as a blob and live as a blob. This blob shape gives a vital advantage to the organism. It can make pseudopods according to the shape and size for its prey. But this amoeba lost its interest in this small piece. Who knows, maybe it will be poisonous for the organism. This amoeba has a simple strategy. Wait idly here until something shows up, catch and eat. Unfortunately, it is waiting on a rotifer eating ground. Rotifers are tiny dozers after all. Our tardigrade didn't make it. Its body is already decaying. Soon, the smaller organisms will make a hole in the cuticle and reach to the nutritious part of the tardigrade. Then, other bacteria will follow. The winter is very far from being over. I will continue to observe this small cup and share my findings with you soon.